What's going on, my winjas? This is your girl Maya, and today it's all about the crab. I'm going to show you 10 of my favorite crab variations. Why do I love crab positions so much? Yo, there is no other move out there that will help you with shoulder mobility while strengthening your wrists, making those triceps pop, plus get your posture in that nice upright posture, reversing the effects of tech neck. So we're going triceps, wrists, shoulder mobility, plus core strengthening. And because of the nature of being on the ground, you're going to increase your control of your body and body awareness. Trust me, guys, girls don't want guys with big biceps. We want guys with popping triceps. So here we go. Stay to the end because the variations get harder and harder and harder. And the 10th one is a special challenge for you from me. Here we go. Cue the intro. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell. I'm here every Tuesday and Friday, so you don't want to miss any brand new content. So, crab position, level 1, the easiest position. So, crab in and of itself is very challenging if you have really poor shoulder mobility and really weak wrists. So please make sure to mobilize your wrists before you start doing anything in crab. Check out my wrist mobility video, check out my shoulder mobility, check out all the videos, binge watch Netflix and move with Maya, yo. So position 1 in crab, we're gonna start with our butt down on the ground just to get ourselves into that external shoulder rotation. So chest forward, eyes to the horizon. This is your standard crab. And a key here, the easier versions will have your fingers pointing to the front of the room. So this is your standard easiest crab. As you get more advanced, I want you to point it to the side of the room and then eventually pointing it back. Why do we love pointing the fingertips back? Because that creates full shoulder external rotation. Boom, popping it right back and engages the triceps. Boom, just like that. This is like doing a freaking crazy tricep push-up just by putting yourself into this position, okay? So, position 1, fingertips forward, butt down. Number 2, we're gonna keep the butt down and we're gonna keep work to get our fingertips pointed back. So all I want you to do here is knees hip width apart, fingertips pointed back, get that shoulder corkscrewed, proud chest, eyes to the horizon. And all you're gonna do is imagine you've got a pencil in between your shoulder blades and you're gonna squeeze that pencil. And that's your part 2 crab. Part 3, level 3 crab is we're gonna now lift the butt. So when you start lifting the butt, you're gonna instantly create core instability, which increases your core strength and your core stability, your ability to control your core. Check out the core stability series, yo. I got a 3-part special for you. So, boom, 1 inch off the ground. When you're here, you should look like a nice capital M from the side. And still, we're corkscrewing the shoulders back. We're squeezing that imaginary pencil in between the shoulder blades, taking the belly, sucking it into the spine, and planting the feet, planting the hands solid. Okay, once you're super comfortable with that, once you can easily do the limb lifts, we talk about limb lifts a lot in level 1 animal flow, and in core part 2 activations, you gotta be able to comfortably lift your hands, lift your foot, and lift each one's oppositely. Now, crab variation number 4, crab moves forward. So, while you're moving forward, nothing else changes. So your M doesn't suddenly get bigger and bigger. Damn, that is way harder. Keep your M tight, and you're gonna travel forward. Each time you lift your hands, you lift the opposite foot, and you move contralaterally. The 5th variation is backwards. So going backwards is a little bit harder than going forwards because you can't see what's back there. And it's always easier for us to have a tendency to move forward with ease. So backwards, initiate crab, pick up the foot, pick up the opposite hand, and travel backwards. So I find a lot of my clients start getting really big really wide crab attack here. Always keep it tight, and as you start feeling yourself losing it, reset, shake it off, do some wrist mobility work, wrist relief position, get your mind right, and then start again. So we got our crab goes forward and backwards. Our crab also moves laterally. Check it out. Nothing else changes except our fingers now are gonna point to the side. And I'm gonna move laterally. Woo. My butt is still skimming about 1 inch off the ground. Triceps, screaming, shoulders, abs, burning. Move side to side, laterally. If you're okay with that, point your fingertips to the back of me and try moving laterally this way. So we get more shoulder rotation, more shoulder mobility work, more triceps. Damn. Now we're at number 7 and things are gonna get freaking spicy. Like a little habanero hot sauce thrown in there. Variation number 7, I've got the crab into tabletop. So this is a lot harder because we're putting a lot more stress on the wrist, on the shoulder, on the tricep, plus on the glutes, the hamstrings, and the abs as you lift your core up. So check it out. Once again, try to have the fingertips pointed back. If you still can't do that, it's okay. Find a position that works for you. And here we go. Initiate crab. And crab tabletop. So, set crab, and then you're gonna raise your butt up. You're gonna squeeze that butt. Squeeze it. Your hammy's gonna be, oh my hammies. Your triceps and everything is still corkscrewing back. So this is the crab tabletop position, and this thing is no joke. You can try any of these variations for time, whether it be 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You can definitely do the crab tabletop position for reps. So try pushing out 10 reps at a time. See how you feel. Rest and repeat. For the 8th variation, I'm gonna increase the instability portion. So we're gonna go crab, toe grab. So I'm gonna take a toe out, and I'm gonna take a hand out, and I'm gonna grab it. Opposite toe. Oh, my quads just went, So, keep that shoulder, crab, toe grab. So here you got quads, hammies, calves, damn. Everything be popping. Plus you got instability, right? Because I'm taking out 2 limbs, and I'm grabbing my toe. Look at my toe. So, crab, toe grab. Holy damn, this thing is no joke. You've got abdominal flexion. Holy cow, my toes are all cramped. So you got more ab work, more core strengthening. That one is legit. So if you're comfortable with the crab toe grab, the 9th variation is the crab kick. And the reason why this is harder is because we're adding a level of plyometrics, because we're kicking. So our heart rate's gonna increase. We're doing cardio. While we're increasing cardio, we're still strengthening the shoulders, the wrists, triceps, right? Everything else is still the same. So, for the crab kick, keep your butt low. Keep those ribs in, belly to the spine. You're gonna kick. Woo! Try doing this for 30 seconds. So each time make sure that my butt comes back down. You can definitely do it in tabletop. Woo! That is another leveled up position. I feel like I'm river dancing. Is that legit river dance music? Woo! Okay, take a break. So we have crab kicks, crab this. Now let's get to the 10th variation. Woo! Now, this is the 10th one because it is the hardest one because we're increasing the intensity by adding weight. Check it out, trust me. Only do this if you're ready. I've got some 12-pounders here. You definitely don't need very heavy weights. I'd rather you start really light so that you understand how to stack your shoulders properly because we're doing the crab press. So what we're doing is here, boom, initiate crab mode. And now I'm gonna go into a tabletop while I take a hand out and press. So I've got glutes, hammies, abs, shoulders, triceps, plus body control and body awareness, because I gotta stack my wrist right over my elbow, right over my shoulder. Yo, this is the last variation because this is hard. So let's do this. Shh. Boom. See how I'm stacked from the top up to the bottom. My wrists are stacked, my elbows are stacked. Bring it back down, return to crab, bring the other hand. Boom. Stacked. Alternate. Don't need very heavy weights, trust me. Woo! That is, that's some habanero last dab type of business, man. Yo. All right, guys, those are your crab variations. I seriously love crab so much. It's one of my favorite animal flow, basic foundational movement because it is so beneficial. So if you can get yourself through the crabs, through the variations, you're gonna be feeling so strong, so mobile, and plus it's gonna allow you to start flowing, right? Because you need to learn crab and beast to start putting it together and flowing. Check out my beast variations. Check out all the animal flow tutorials. Ooh, get this go some water. And make sure to check back every Tuesday and Friday. Draw me a comment, share this video. I absolutely love hearing from you guys, so stay in touch. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. I'm breathing, and everything is under Move with Maya. So I'll see you